In this case, you've been asked to find constants that make our piecewise function continuous and differentiable. We're reminded that if we're not continuous, like in this top picture, then the y on the left does not equal the y on the right. So we need to make sure that that is true. Y on the left does equal y on the right. And in the bottom picture, we're reminded that this also isn't differentiable because the derivative, y prime on the left, does not equal the derivative y prime on the right. And so that case has to be met as well. Our derivatives and our function must match. And so to make the first case match, we'll set x squared plus x, which is y on the left, equal to b times x plus 1 squared minus 2a. And our second equation comes from the derivatives. So 2x plus 1, the derivative of the left side, must equal 2 times b times x plus 1 to the first power minus 0, because the derivative of that is just a constant. Because we want this to be continuous and differentiable at 1, I'm going to plug 1 in for each of my x's. After I plug in 1 everywhere and simplify, the left I run into one equation and two unknowns. But when I keep going with the derivatives equation, I can see that b is equal to 3/4. So that will then help me solve the second equation, because I can plug in 3/4 here and have 2 equals 4 times 3/4. Of course, that's 4 over 1, minus 2a. And 4's will cancel, and I really have 2 equals 3 minus 2a. Subtract 3 from both sides. Negative 1 equals negative 2a. Divide by negative 2. A equals 1/2. B equals 3/4. You were asked for A. That's choice D.